sleeping in Saudi Arabia are like 5 and 6. They move together. Later in that evening, there are some things that came in, and I was supposed to make a mise en place for the following day. Why? I had an order of 20 burgers for Madame's kids, but the friends. So I was supposed to make 10 burgers the following day, as in the night. So some items were brought in, and I was supposed to start preparing so that by morning or by 3 a.m. in the morning, I don't have so much work to do. So welcome to my channel. For all those that are hearing me for the first time, my name is Suzy. This is my channel where I do lifestyle of myself as a housemaid. Yes, so 20 burgers are going to be prepared. Before I went to sleep, the order was I was supposed to make homemade 20 burgers that were supposed to be taken to school the following day. But by the time I went to sleep, they had changed their mind, and I was supposed just to arrange the things, put them together, so that the burgers will be prepared at school, not to be prepared at home as at first it was. So I had to do some washing of the things that I was going to need. I had to do a mise en place, arrange everything, so that when I woke up in the morning, I just start from where I stopped. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share. When duty calls in Saudi Arabia, whether you are sick, whether you want to sleep, for them they don't mind. When duty calls, you are supposed to leave whatever you are doing and start your duty as soon as possible. So the duty had called. I had to prepare 20 burgers, and I had to start the process as soon as possible, so that I can fit in the time that I had. That by because the children normally wake up at 5 in the morning, then they'll prepare themselves. Then by 6 they are already going to school. That means I was supposed to wake up at 3 in the night and put everything in order, so that when they are ready to go to school, everything is in place. Let's get into the video as I take you through my day, how it went when I woke up at 3 to start preparing the 20 burgers.